Hello and welcome to the course. This is William Job, who will be in charge of all of the lectures in this course. This first lecture, the first video, is going to simply go through the steps to create your first web page. What you want to do is open one of your favorite text editors. You can look to the list of text editors in this lecture. Open up your favorite one and create a new file. I'm using Text Wrangler and I'm using Mac. New text document. It'll look a little different depending on what you're using. Then you simply start writing the code you can see in the lesson. Different tags that you have to have, and so forth. We start off always with doc type HTML, so forth, and then HTML has to be at the top, and so forth. I'm going to save some time. I've already done this, and I'm going to put in there what is usually called the HTML skeleton. It's just the basic tags you need to have a valid HTML file. In this case, I've added some extra tags. The P, hello world, so we have something to see. If I just had an empty body tag, we wouldn't actually see anything. And we're going to look at this. And once we've written our code, you want to save it. Save, and then you want to give it a name, as it says in the instructions. Test. I will call it index, so it pops up, or I will call it test 1 HTML, and then you're going to save it. And when you're doing this, this is when you actually save it locally to your computer. The problem with that is that you will be able to see it, but no one else will. And as you can see, once I do this, the text editing environment saves the code and starts highlighting it. I can see it. And then there it is. Open it with a web browser. We'll open it with Firefox, let's say. And then my computer will think a little bit here. And then I'll open the page. Eventually. Yes. Open it locally. And then we can see hello world. We can hide this debugging. So our first example, and you can see the path to it. You can also do view page source, and you'll see the code that you've written yourself with some line numbers. The next step, of course, is that you want this page to be visible to someone else. And then what you have to do is use an FTP program. There are a variety of different ones, both Mac and PC environments. I'm using CyberDuck, crazy name. And what you have to do is send this code that we've downloaded, and then you have to have access to a web server, of course. Maybe through your school if you're in a school environment, or you can buy access to a private web server company. And I'll find the file, and we will do this. 1 second to find the file. Upload. Should go rather quickly. Jumps up there online. Uploads it. Complete. Great. Open another tab here, and we can do, I know where it is. It's on a server I have access to for this course. Flip. Bunch of different things. Courses. And then we will have examples there. It's thinking. And there we have hello world. So that's the process. Write your code with your favorite text editor, save it locally, test it, and then put it online. And then you have that URL, that's the thing, or the address, the universal resource locator, the big technical word. There's the big address, so that anyone can surf and see your web page. Thank you.